Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this particular video, we will be going to solve another important data science problem which had been asked in Google. Make sure you watch the video till end to learn something new. And please subscribe to my channel if not already done yet, as I will be coming up with a lot more useful content. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So over here, let me just quickly walk you through with the data set which is available. So basically from Google, we are having like AdWord related data sets, right? So in this particular data set, we are having like business type, right? Number of employees which are related to that particular business, year, and we are having AdWord earnings, right? So basically, let's say if a particular business had targeted some keywords or AdWords, so what was the earning with respect to that particular keyword, right? And basically, this particular earning was associated with how many number of employees, right? So since over here, as we can see, 81 like rupees or $81, which are whichever it is, this is basically divided into two different employees, right? Or this is a share of two different employees, right? Right. So now, as part of the problem statement, what we have to do is we have to basically find the price for the small like repairman business, right? So over here, as we can see, we are having, let me just quickly show you what is the business type over here. So business type. So if we can see, we are having like three different business type over here, right? So with respect to this, what we have to do over here is we have to basically tell like prices for all like repairman business, right? Which is willing to pay per employee, right? So as I've mentioned over here, basically this particular earning is for like these many number of employees which are available over here. So for per employee earning, we have to basically calculate that over here, right? Now, apart from that, we have to basically get the result based on the mode of the advert earnings per employee distribution, right? So basically, we have to calculate the earnings distribution for each employee, and then basically we have to like based on that mode, we have to basically provide the output, right? And over here, one more condition is provided by like interviewer. So basically, small business is nothing but we have to consider only those which has not more than 10 employees, right? So wherever we are having more than 10 like number of employees, like something like this, we have to not consider this, right? So let's see like how we will be going to approach this particular problem, right? So over here, let me just copy it. Okay. So since we need employees, right? And we need like earning per employee as well, right? So for that, what we will do over here, I will take number of employees, right? So I will take n employees, and apart from that, like earning per employee as well, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to do add word earnings divided by number of employees, right? I can give this as alias as uh, earnings per employee, right? Now, basically what we have to do over here is we have to basically like provide a rank over here, right? The reason why I have to provide a rank over here, because we have to tell like in each business type, right? So for each business type, how many number of employees are there, right? In each category, right? And what is like basically earning per employee, right? So we have to basically tell like how many categories are there as per number of employees and what is the earning per employee, right? So in order to basically get that, let me just quickly tell you. So over here, what we have to do, we have to take like since we have to provide a ranking, so I will use row number for ranking purpose. So I will use row number, right? And over partition by what? Partition by number of employees, because at a employee category level, we have to basically provide our output. So partition by number of employees, right? And order by. So now basically this is a tricky thing over here, right? So basically on what basis we should order it, right? So since we have to basically provide the output at earnings per employee level, right? So we will basically order it by according to that only, right? So earnings per employee is nothing but this particular condition, right? So I will use the entire condition over here and I will put this into order by, right? We have to order this by descending because like, let's say maximum number of rupees or maximum number of dollars if a particular person had earned. So we have to basically take that as first, right? I will provide this as RN, right? And yeah, and basically, apart from this, what we have to do, apart from this, we have to just take a business category or business type as repairman, right? So for that, what I will do, I will get this into where condition. So where business type is equal to repairman, right? And so, and apart from that, what we have to do, we have to basically take care of these like this condition as well, right? So where employees are not more than 10, right? So where n underscore employees is less than equal to 10, right? So now let me just run this query and we'll show you what will be our output. So now, as you can see, at each employee category level, right? Uh, for like this particular business type, we are having earning per employee, right? And as we can see, we are having ranking over here as well, right? So now, can I say this thing? From each employee category, we have to take maximum number of like earning per employee, right? So can I say this thing? Now it became pretty much straightforward. We have to filter out just those cases where rank is equal to 1, right? So what I will do, I will basically take this as CTE. So with, let me just take it as repairman underscore data as this will be my CTE, right? And from this CTE, I will basically take those records where like rank is equal to 1, right? So for that, I will use number of employees, right? And I have to take earning per employee as well, right? So I will take earning per employee, right? Uh, from, we have to take it from repairman's data, right? Similarly, and where we have to take where rank is equal to 1, right? So we are filtering only those records where rank is 1. So let me just run this once. My bad. Okay, let me just run this. Yeah, so as you can see over here, we are having like at each employee category level, we are having earning per employee, right? And this is what basically it was required as part of this particular output. So over here, as you can see, we have to find price that a small repairman business is willing to pay per employee, right? So basically this is at a per employee level. We are having like maximum earnings for each and every employee category, right? So I hope you got to like or learn something new from this particular problem statement. Let me know in the comment section if you like try or like if you know any other better solution like apart from this. Thank you one and all. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.